finally, sinabi niya na wala siyang kasalanan pero may alam siya.
Now let us address the most absurd accusation of all, that I am supposedly the mastermind of this corruption scheme. How can I be the mastermind? I was the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, but the House of Representatives is only one part of the branch of government. The national budget is not conceived, executed, implemented, bidded out, supervised, and completed by one congressman or even by Congress alone, and certainly not by the Speaker of the House. The national budget does not depend on just one person. The budget does not begin in the House. It begins in the executive. The agencies and departments prepare their proposals. The executive consolidates them into the National Expenditure Program, and that program is then submitted to Congress. From there, the House deliberates, but the House is not one person, and it is certainly not the Speaker alone. If this is a political play to push me out and close the story, tarnishing my name and my reputation, then I'm telling everyone now, I will not go quietly and I will not go alone. I will not be the fall guy for other people's corruption.
Because right now, ang mga nasa kulungan ay yung mga contractor,
Happy, yes.
yung mga district engineer,
Ginawa ko lang naman po yung trabaho.
and a very easy target, former Senator Bong Revilla.
Alam kong hindi ako papabayaan ng Diyos dahil wala po akong kasalanan dito.
At ang lahat ng sisi ay sa dating Appropriations Committee Chair when all these things happened. Si dating Ako Bicol Representative Elizalde Zaldi Co.
Tinawagan ako ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at sinabihan, stay out of the country. You will be well taken care of as instructed by the President.
Basically, he wants us to believe that the scheme behind the flood control corruption scandal started and ended with Zaldico, who, let us not forget, not only did he, as House Speaker, personally chose, he also promised the position to Zaldico back in 2007.
2007 tayo nagkakilala. I told you if I became a speaker, I'll make you a chairman of appreciation.
He wants us to believe that the scheme thrived and made a lot of people in Congress very rich without him knowing kung saan bilyon-bilyon ang nakulimbat ng mga kawatan. Number 1, tanga at pabaya si Martin, kaya harap-harapan at garapalan siyang niloko ni Zaldico.
We have a wealth of leadership, full of leaders. So, we can always go to them for advice, for help, and guidance.
Oo, kasabwat siya at may basbas niya ang panggagagong yan dahil kumita din siya. Katulad ng sinabi ng maraming mga witness.
Tagabuhat lang ako ng malita ng basura. Ang ibig sabihin ng basura ay malita na may lamang pera. Ang bawat malita ay may lamang humigit kumulang 48 million pesos. Humigit kumulang 3 beses ako mismo ang nag-deliver ng basura sa bahay ni Congressman Zaldico, sa Horizon Resident at sa mga bahay ni Speaker Romualdez sa 42 Mackenzie Street, Taguig.
I believe the witnesses. Either way, he should never be Speaker of the House ever again.
Halino sa liwanag, magnanakaw, makulong ka na.